Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Epson XP4200. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up. We're going to install the ink cartridges that came with this printer, load paper, and also align the printer. First of all, take the power cable, go to the back of the printer, connect it to this port. Then plug it on to the power. From the control panel, switch the printer on from this button, then wait. Select your language. So if you use up or down, then you select the language, then select OK to confirm. Scan the code to set up the printer with smartphone or other smart device using Epson Smart Panel. But you can also select continue setup without the app. So I'm going to select continue setup without the app. Processing. Initialization start. Install the ink cartridges for setup that came with the printer. Lift up the ink access door. And encoder is now positioned to where it's supposed to be. So the ink cartridges, you will see a sticker, black goes to the left, followed by yellow, magenta, and cyan. So we're going to install the ink cartridges. This printer uses ink cartridges 604. So this is the black color. Pull this off this tape for air vent. This contact pad need to go inside. So you go in, and the black is in, followed by yellow. Remove the plastic, pull this off, then you go in to the yellow. Yellow is in, followed by magenta. Remove this tape, then you go into magenta. The last but not the least, cyan. So put the plastic off, then you go in to cyan. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. Then close the door. Then select OK, installed. Select OK. We'll show you processing. Initialization, please wait. This take about 6 minutes. The line will go through to the end. It will show you a blue color. It will go all the way to the end. Take about 6 minutes to complete. So it will show you initialization complete. Move on to print quality adjustments. Now we're going to load paper. To load paper, go to the back of the printer rear tray. This is 4x6 photo paper. You need to make sure the printable area face up. So if you want to load the paper, printable area or smooth part or glossy part need to face up. Then go to the rear tray, then adjust it. And also you need to adjust it on the screen. But now we want to load A4 paper. So this is A4 paper. So take decent amount, load it on the rear tray, then adjust it. Initialization complete. Move on to print quality adjustment. Then you select OK. Align the printer to get the best print quality. Adjust letter or adjust recommended. Select OK. Perform a print head nozzle check to check print quality. Then you select print. Load A4 size paper in the rear paper feeder to check nozzle check pattern. Then select print. This is the printed pattern. Check the printed pattern and select the closest result. Then you select OK. Align print position to fix misalignment and band wording. Adjust recommended. Load A4 paper. Select OK. Then you take the print out. Go to the screen. It will show you number 1. Then choose the square with the fewest streaks. Then what you need to do is you need to select plus. So we're going to select number 5 for it. Then you select OK. Then it show you number 2. Then you look on the image number 2. Use plus or minus to select the number. Then select OK. It goes to number 3. So number 3, going to select number 1 for it. So use minus to select the number. Select OK. It goes to number 4. Then look on the image. Then select OK. It goes to number 5. 5. Then select OK. It goes to number 6. Then look on the image. Select OK. It goes to number 7. Select OK. Horizontal alignment. Load A4 size paper in the rear paper feeder. To alignment pattern, then select print. Choose rectangles that are not separated or overlap. Then you look on the image. So use plus or minus to select the number. Then select OK. Print head alignment complete. You can adjust again from maintenance. Then select OK, dismiss. This product uses the following network function to send data: scan and save to file computer. Select OK. Then allow, scan and save to file. Then you select allow. Select on it. Select OK. Then use up to select allow so that it can send file. Then select up. Select done. Then it will show you the screen. If you want to remove the ink, use up arrow. Go to the ink image, select OK on the ink image. Then select left arrow to replace ink. Select OK to replace ink. Replace ink cartridges. Then select OK. Then select start. Then lift up the ink access door. The encoder will move and position itself so that you can take each one out. And once you remove each one, then you need to put it back. Let's say if we remove each one, if you look on the screen, we'll show you they are all empty. So to put it back, then go in with cyan on the right. Cyan is marked. Then go in with magenta. Magenta is marked. Go in with yellow. Yellow is marked. Then go in the last but not least, black. Then select OK, complete. Close the cover and wait. So this is how to set up the printer. Thank you very much indeed.